Today we're talking adhesives, and most of the products that I'm going to go through with you today can be used in the majority of mosaic art projects. Please remember, these are specifically for mosaic artworks, not for swimming pools, bathrooms, buildings, foyers. If you ever need a tiling spec, please get hold of us and we will do a comprehensive one of exactly what needs to be done, where and when, and how, with the correct adhesives. However, the ones that I'm going to show you will give you a solution to most of your tiling mosaic project needs. I'm going to start firstly with Tilflex. It's a tub. It comes with white premix paste and sticks to most surfaces. So Flex works really well on drywall, MDF, Nutec board, weedy board, anything that's got slight flexibility to it, perspex. It also is used for marine ply. So when you're doing your numbers, splashbacks, kitchen countertops, anything like that, Flex would work for you. And it's an easy to apply. You literally take the white paste with the back of a chopstick, stick it onto your towel and stick it down. Flex does leave a bit of time so that you can still move your towels around if they're not in the 100% space that you'd like them. It's my go-to. It's an easy application, mirrors, you name it, it works. The next surface we get asked a lot about is glass or perspex, where you need a transparent adhesive. We would then recommend the Seeker Crystal Clear. It's a clear adhesive. It has a clear bond. You use a glue gun to stick it down with. A strong bond that works with a lot of materials, specifically when you need a transparent adhesive. Should you just be needing a strong bond to go onto almost anything, we have Ultramount, and it goes on to wood, MDF, plastic, high density polystyrene, plasterboard, metal, masonry, bricks and tiles. We do recommend this. It sets relatively quickly and it's an incredibly strong bond. So that would be another alternative. And our other option, specifically when you are doing a mesh project or a slightly larger project, indirect method or direct method, would be your cementitious based Mosaic Fix. Now you get a couple on the market. The two that we recommend is the Douglas Jones Mosaic Fix. They come in grey, light grey, white, as well as the Tulle Mosaic Fix. Each of them have unique properties. Tulle is a 12-hour set, Douglas Jones is a 6-hour set. So depending on your requirements, you mix that with water or bond and it creates a cementitious adhesive. The great thing about the Mosaic Fixes is that it is a 2-in-1 application, so you can use it as your adhesive and as your grout. And this is great in your indirect method so that you do not get any color variation through your grout. Obviously that is recommended most of the time with any mosaic installation. So on your larger projects and commissions, that's most probably 9 times out of 10 the way we would recommend to go. However, when you are dealing with your smaller projects like your stones, your cobbles, vases, lampshades, mannequins, various other substrates, one of these products will work.